Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks on parenting and child development. Today, we'll be talking about how to help babies when they are teething. Teething can be a challenging time for both babies and parents. It can cause discomfort and pain, and as parents, we want to do everything we can to ease our baby's discomfort. Here are some tips to help your baby when they're teething. Provide chilled teething toys. Teething toys can help relieve your baby's discomfort. You can chill teething toys in the refrigerator, and the coolness can soothe your baby's gums. Be sure to choose teething toys that are safe for your baby to use. Massage your baby's gums. Using a clean finger or a soft, wet cloth, gently massage your baby's gums. The pressure can help relieve some of the discomfort associated with teething. Offer cold foods. If your baby is eating solid foods, try offering cold foods such as chilled applesauce or yogurt. The coolness can help soothe their gums, and the texture can provide some relief. Use over-the-counter remedies. If your baby is experiencing significant discomfort, you can talk to your pediatrician about over-the-counter remedies such as teething gels or drops. Be sure to follow the instructions carefully and use only as directed. Provide comfort. Teething can be a challenging time for your baby, so provide them with comfort and extra attention. Hold and cuddle them more often, sing lullabies, or read books together. Comforting your baby can help ease their discomfort and make them feel secure. Teething can be a challenging time for both babies and parents, but there are ways to help ease your baby's discomfort. Provide chilled teething toys, massage your baby's gums, offer cold foods, use over-the-counter remedies if needed, and provide comfort and extra attention. If you have any concerns or questions, consult with your pediatrician. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips and tricks.